everyone, welcome back to Touch CR Zone. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Dacia Sandero, a budget hatchback getting a serious midlife refresh. If you like great value, new tech, and good usability in a compact package, stick around, this could be one of the more interesting cars of the year. What's new? Design and exterior updates. Show spy shots, close-ups. First off, the 2026 model gets a subtle facelift. Expect revised front and rear bumpers, updated optics including LED headlights with a new signature lighting pattern, and a refreshed grille designed to align more with Dacia's newer models like the Duster and Bigster. The wheel options are being refreshed too. Mudguards, certain trims may get more rugged or crossover-inspired touches, especially on the stepway version. Interior and technology upgrades. Interior B-roll, dashboard, infotainment, seats inside, expect a more modern look. One of the biggest changes is a larger touchscreen for multimedia. Reports suggest top trims will move from the existing 8.0-inch to something closer to 10.1-inch to match what's offered in the Bigster and Duster. The steering wheel is being updated, borrowing design from the Duster/Bigster models. Also, in higher trims, a fully digital instrument cluster could replace the traditional analog gauges. Material quality and finishing seem to be getting modest upgrades, still very much focused on value, but with touches that give a more premium feel where it counts. Power and performance. Shots of engine bay, road/test drive. Under the hood, many of the current engines are expected to carry over. Petrol units, LPG biofuel/ECOG versions. Big news, hybrid powertrains are likely to be introduced. Both mild hybrid, MHEV, versions, and perhaps self-charging hybrids like in other Dacia models. This aligns with tightening emissions norms, Euro 7, etc., driving manufacturers to electrify more. Trim levels and variants. Stepway, etc. The Sandero stepway is expected to retain its crossover style tweaks, raised ride height, roof bars, more rugged exterior bits. It could also get the same interior upgrades as standard Sandero, but also additional styling/equipment. As usual, multiple trim levels will be offered, with increasing levels of tech, comfort, and safety features. Higher trims may include digital displays, upgraded infotainment, perhaps more driver assistance aids. Safety, comfort and practicality. Interior/driving shots, features like advanced emergency braking, ABS, with pedestrian/cyclist detection, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition are likely or already included in some markets. Comfort-wise, revised seating materials, possibly better sound deadening, updated HVAC controls. The focus is on keeping cost low but improving usability. Practical details. Boot space likely similar, since this is a facelift rather than a full